Leon, why do professional drivers like propane vehicles?
I think it's because they're a lot more quiet. Driving a diesel vehicle for so many years, with this vehicle here, is quieter, smoother, and it's a lot more enjoyable.
Why does Hope Network have such a large fleet?
We provide services to a lot of people in the community. The community likes the idea of having a cleaner environment, so we like to provide that for them.
You guys were talking about the incredible savings that comes from driving propane. Could you kind of touch on, some of the cost savings of these vehicles?
We actually saved about $35,000 by owning our own propane tank on our lot. So even with that aspect of it, without having to go to the outside, having your own, huge.
And that's what we're hearing, man, is that the fact that fleets like Hope and other ones around the country, they're saving like tens of thousands per month over gasoline and diesel.
Yes, it is quite true. And actually, we're trying to see that now. And like I said, with the transition from propane, from gas and diesel, it's incredible.